Hey YouTube, it's me Bear Stud. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a short tool review on this SK socket set. It's a 48 piece set. I have some other sockets to kind of compare them to, kind of give you a general idea. It's a nice little set. Again, I don't know what you use your 1/4 inches for. I mainly use mine for like interior work or stuff that's not really heavy duty, or I don't need that much torque. I just need to be nice and snug. If I need something that needs to be highly torqued down, I'll use a 3/8 drive or a 1/2 inch drive. But again, this is my little go-to set. I like this little set. Mainly like it's a nice chrome finish. I like the fact that they're USA made. I like how you do make a difference compared to a metric to a standard. As you see on the metric, it's got 3 little lines, where the standard's got 2 lines. I do like the fact that if you don't have a organizer like one of these right here, you can always pop these 2 out right there, and they'll lay flat in your tool drawer. Kind of gives you a nice idea if there's something missing. There we go. The chrome on it is nice and solid. Can't really go wrong with it. I do like they seem like they use a little bit bigger numbers. So you can actually see what you're grabbing. And got a nice, again, like all of them, got that design on the inside where it grips the sides, not the corners of a fastener. Again, I'm not a big fan of using these, but I'm kind of glad they threw it in the kit, because just in case. The universal's pretty stout. Comes with a little palm ratchet. Again, after looking at this through the camera, kind of see he's got a nice chrome finish, nice little grip. A few things I don't like. Now, it does come with a little ratchet. It's a nice little ratchet. It looks like you can get into places, but seeing it in my hands, it just kind of reminds me of I'm holding Tinkerbell's little magic wand, where I need something a little bit bigger. But again, I might be able to go to places where I can't stick this in. Here you can see the chrome is, to me, it seems unreal. You even compare it to between a Snap-on SK and a Mac. Seems very duty. Seems like it'll hold. Compare. Again, But again, now the price, can't beat the price. You're looking anywhere between $195 to $255. Can't beat that price. I'll post some links below so you can compare to between the other ones, between Cornwell, Mac, and Snap-on. I mean, just compare the price. You know, $250 gets you these two. And these are all shallow. No ratchet. No nothing. You know. Compare it to this from Snap-on. You know, again, these are all just metric. Not metric and standard. They're all shallow, no deeps. And you're looking at roughly about $400. You know, I don't know how you feel when you buy a socket set. I like to buy a socket set all in one. You know, if I don't like that ratchet, fine. I'll buy me something different that works with it. Again, you know, these all have their own purpose, but it is a nice little starter set. I mean, you can always grow it, just like any other socket set. I mean, this is a nice little starter set. Compared to, you know, I think Matco, I think you got to build your own or buy individual sets to make one set. I'm actually surprised Matco doesn't have a set like this. I know Cornwell does. Again, it's a little pricey. I think they got a 47-piece set, but it doesn't include adapters. It doesn't include a ratchet, palm ratchet. Both Mac and Snap-on have a 44-piece, and you know their prices are a little out there. But again, just to start out and have, I think this is a perfect solution. Please like, comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a nice day and have a safe one.